Hi, my name is Tita. Today, I'm trying my scooter.
Wow!
You want to play, guys? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Promise. Promise? You stay here?
Promise.
Okay, let's start it. Mag-focus-focus pa. No? Pwede na tamudulog mga scooters. Come on, let's do it, guys. Your feet in here. Your feet in here, the scooter. Your feet in here. And now run the scooter in here. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Oh, nabalik ako. I'm coming, Dad. I'm coming.
Okay.
Balik ako, Dad.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Come on, let's do it, guys. Come on, let's do it. Can you catch me? I'm so fast. Wow. Hey. Hi, Papa.
Hello.
I'm coming. Halang doon, nilakaw-lakaw na. There's ako sa imo, Papa, ka. Kay kasi mapaakan ko.
Okay. Sige na. Wala na ang loob.
Akin. Hi, doggy.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Papa, stop na lang ko pag-video-video. Nga na lang ko mag-video-video. Mag-catch-catch na lang kasako. Please.
Bakit sabi?
Bye-bye, guys. See you later.